The Regal marine products or boats have a life cycle. The company is constantly innovating and launching new designs into the market due to the fact that their products or the older design um, have a life cycle, and they carry out the four different stages. They pass through a design, the stage, they are launched into the market, they reach maturity into the market, and then their popularity declines. So the company also has a numerous competitors. And when a competitor launches a new product and launches a new, more modern product that also makes the real marine boat to seem more outdated to the customers. That's why it's necessary a process of constant renovation and improvements and a periodically launching new designs. Now, regarding the fact that why they are the market leaders, or why do they have a market advantage, or a better level of competitiveness, we want to focus in their strategy of constantly innovating, comparing their designs with the competitors, and constantly knowing and researching the needs of the customers, and having a large variety of boats that helps them to reach different categories of boats and different types of customers, or customers with different power of acquisition. Furthermore, the suppliers that are involved, or the key suppliers that are involved in the designing process of the boats, it's a very important characteristic that the company has, that perhaps none other boat company has introduced. They use or they welcome their key suppliers into the meetings of design. It's a new knowledge, a different point of view that helps them to be more efficient in their production process and their line of production, and it helps them to save resources and to focus on the main areas, or the most important areas of their main activity. Regarding the commercialization process of the boats and of their products, the company marketing department must ensure that the customers know and identify the different features of the company, of the boats. For instance, their designs and their new innovations must be known by the clients. Also, the brand must be identified with concepts like outstanding quality and innovation, and as a market leader. As for the finance department, they must focus on making an efficient use of their resources, and of investing in the main areas, not spilling their resources into not important areas or costs, and making the process of the production of the boat as efficient and cost effective possible. The rest of the personnel of the company, or yeah, personnel in other areas, must be able to interact, and to give in ideas of designs of efficient use of resources, and must care for the company's well-being. In many companies, and some companies in Latin America, the employees can give in their ideas of designs or new projects, regardless of their position in the company, and then they're taking into account sometimes some of the products, if they pass through certain evaluations, that they are realized, and they're built and applied into the company. Now, we believe that having such a large variety of models may also be a weakness for the company. Having 22 different models may result in the loss of market in some of the categories of boats. For instance, if another company that has fewer models and focus their resources in those fewer models, they may steal some market power from Regal Marine in some categories of boats. But if Regal Marine could decrease a little bit their number of models, they could reduce their cost of production. They could focus more money, more research, and innovate in a faster way in the other models, the remaining models. They could increase their market power. They could have a greater success and the reduction or the resources used to produce the other models can be replaced and used now to the production of the main boats or the main categories of the company.